ये विश्वास का न्योता है, हमारा आपको न्योता है। आपका सोना कहीं से भी खरीदा गया हो, पूरे भारत में आपके पुराने सोने का सबसे अच्छा मोल जहां मिले, इस विश्वास का न्योता है। इस सफर पर हम और आप हर कदम साथ चलेंगे, ये तनिष्क का न्योता है।
Part of the celebrations to commemorate the 23rd Rising Day of Andaman and Nicobar Command.
Commandant Sudhir on board Rakshak 1 and Rakshak 2 is flown by Deputy Commandant Nikhil with co-pilot Assistant Commandant Saurabh. As they soar in unity, it symbolizes the commitment of the command's core values and aspirations.
Next in the sequence is a demonstration of a hostage rescue operation behind enemy lines.
As you see on your left, the Ghatak platoon of Gorkha warriors is placing the outer cordon around the target to ensure that no terrorists escape.
Let me tell you, this Ghatak platoon is from the oldest Gorkha battalion in the world and are known for their professionalism and guts.
This deadly team of Gorkhas reminds me of a Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw's words, and I quote, "If a man says he is not afraid of dying, either he is lying or he is a Gorkha."
Special operations, including reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and engaging the enemy in close hand-to-hand combat.
Ladies and gentlemen, Commander Avinash and Commander Prateek are maneuvering the helicopter with precision, demonstrating the capability of this remarkable machine, which is one of the fastest means to deploy the Marine Commandos in an area where helicopters cannot reach. Having secured the area, all 4 commandos are now parking inside the target area to eliminate the remaining terrorists and rescue the hostage safely. Light strike vehicle has arrived on site with a bang, demolishing the likely reinforcement route of the terrorists. The specialist sniper who was tactically placed and camouflaged from the beginning to engage any terrorist trying to escape has caught up and joining the team for further extraction. Now the safely rescued and the commandos are making their gateway using a smoke screen and an explosive distraction to complete a successful exfiltration. The orange smoke is also indicating the successful completion of the mission to the We are going to witness a small team extraction operation by a large night helicopter away this area. Thank you. This is one of the quickest
our commandos as they fly away victorious.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we will discuss a performance that provides a glimpse of how the boundaries of human capability. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do this now. Look straight ahead, ladies and gentlemen, as the Sukhoi executes the lift. And now she reaches the top of the loop and she is inverted. At this stage, ball is heading to the pitch. And as the speed drops, she does a flat yaw turn to the left and simply decides to go the other way before your very eye. Pass you at a speed of 450 kilometers per hour. As they say, the train stops shifting. Ladies and gentlemen, was the mighty Sukhoi 30 MKI demonstrating its superior agility. A big round of applause for the audacious pilot and the mighty flanker. You will see the flank. Goodbye to you all, and there you see Rama signing off. Do not miss the flanker landing right in front of you. The light coming on, that means the landing gear is down and the aircraft is about to touch down on the runway. That's the in front of you, engaging its chute to slow down.
In the city of Portland, which was just a small village, the community mind of ANDAMAN That we have enjoyed the remarkable performance of our seasoned professionals.
हमारे साथ भी जो है अंडमान निकोबार कमांड के जो है सिनकेंड सर से कि आज जो एयर शो हुई थी उसके बारे में जानकारी लेते। तो सर ये एयर शो थे, अंडमान के लोग काफ़ी लोग कल से देख रहे हैं उनके अंदर में, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी हैव बीन प्लानिंग फॉर सम टाइम. This could not be undertaken in the past, basically because of the runway not being ready. Now that the runway is ready for all operations, including the fighters, you will see that more and more of such detachments of fighters will be coming in. और ये आगे आपको बहुत सारे मौके मिलेंगे जहाँ पे आपको देख सकते हैं ऐसे फाइटर वाला ऑपरेशंस.